enjoyed that little bit of drone footage to start off the video. Anyway, we're gonna be hooking up a water truck here. The mechanics that we're towing it for already went ahead and pulled the driveline for us and backed the brakes off. So it should be a pretty straightforward hookup, hopefully. So we'll go ahead and get lined up here. And then we'll see what we got. Alright, let's go ahead and put the PTO on. Alright, let's take a look. Go back to base. I'm going to be hooking up now. That wasn't so bad. That wasn't so bad. Got it out. Take my bungee off here. Just a touch here. That should be good. Alright, let's go and put our forks on. Just document that. We didn't do that. Might have to turn a little bit. Ooh. You got chocks on it, or? Let me just hook onto the front of it and then you guys can let go. I gotta pull forward a little bit. Kinda screwed it up, but that's alright. Just pull forward and left just a touch here. Let's do it. Slide this one in just a touch. Now she's ours. All right, you can let go. How are you?
Good, how are you?
This your truck?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's my company's though.
Oh,
I don't
okay.
like it. If you don't mind the liability, go ahead and dump it on the road and total it. I'm fine with that. Okay?
All right, I won't chain it. Just say it was an accident.
Yeah. Put a big chain in there, you know, so
Yeah.
it's going to snap it right off. Oh, there it is. Won't hurt anything.
Right.
But I got a driving switch.
Oh, okay. So you want a new one?
Yeah.
All right, we'll I'll make that happen.
I like the one we rented an F-750, a smaller one, easy to drive.
Oh yeah.
I'm a superintendent. I'm not supposed to be driving a water truck.
That's funny.
Yeah,
All right, lay off of it.
I got other things to do. That's
Yeah, I hear you.
Right there.
There you go.
That's what I'm supposed to do.
I have a slightly different chaining method now. Still the same thing, just a shorter chain, eliminating the need to go around that side, because that side really was just to hold the slack of the chain. So now what we do, same thing essentially, except we go like this, and then we go here and here, and then I guess we go a little tighter there. Go there and there, and then we'll do something with the slack there once we tighten up. A little different. It's a little more manageable with these smaller chains, and they're a little heavier grade chains as well. Really doesn't want to slide across that axle. Up and over, pull it tight, go here and there. That's why there's a loose link there. Remote, tilt. Nice and tight. That one's real tight. This one's not as tight. That's all right though. Yeah, see, that one's pretty tight. Actually, I almost want to loosen that one. Let's loosen the link here. Because if you go over a bump or a dip, it'll actually break that chain. There we go. Now that's better. I'm more comfortable with that. Okay, that's high enough. Just do safety chains and lights and we'll be good to go. Take our light back there right now. I said something to me, I don't know what. Okay. Safety chains and roll. got these hooks here. Hook onto them. Pretty much all the way up. That, and then I keep my bungees here now. That way I don't have to go get them. Make me a little more efficient. Just hook them like so. Keep them away from the underlift. Let's verify that our driveline is out, and they have it. Okay, driveline's out, brakes are backed off, we're ready to roll. Alright guys, enjoy the boom cam. Alright guys, we made it to the drop-off, so we'll go ahead and unhook really quick and get out of here. Alright. Boom up, tilt down, boom down. There we go. There. So a little easier on this setup. I like it, and it's providing the same amount of securement, really. Oh, come on, get out of there. Bungee. Right. Done in there. We'll extend this out. Let's ask them for some lumber to block this and roll away on us. There we go. Boom up a little bit. Alright, chalked. Take our bungee. Alright guys, well hopefully you did enjoy that video. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you do like the videos, please be sure to let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, so thanks for watching guys. Have a great day.